Is it worth it? That's why we're here today in Southeast Florida to come check out this beautiful house. It was built in 2004. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. I'm not sure how long it's been on the market. We are on Joiner Circle and they're asking $350. It's on my list. They've been on the market for at least 90 days, but we're gonna go take a look around and see, is it worth it? First thing, this is a very Florida thing. So they got the, looks like rubber or plastic for the drainage there. Corner lot. Drop my pen. Roof. It's probably seen better days, but doesn't look hateful. Got a 2-car garage. Got some patio pavers here that full of weeds, but again, an easy fix. And I finally figured out what that big cap is. That is a sewage ejector and a grinder pump. So it is city water, but that thing chops everything up before it goes into the sewer. Pretty cool feature. And then if there's an issue with it, that thing goes off, notifies the city, and they come back to fix it. All right. Roof actually looks in really good shape on this side. Tree's not bad, but I definitely want it cut away from the house. Ooh, we got some aloe. Got a nice screen porch. Another drainage ditch over there. And that's actually stucco up in there, so got a little bit of wood rot right there on the trim board. I guess that's a drip edge, if I'm using my terminology correctly. There's some wood rot. Yep, we got some wood rot on this side. No buckling, no sagging or anything on the roof, but if there's water pooling up there, and probably the drip edge is bad, or I don't know. And we got a crack right here. Probably just a stucco, but always something to keep mindful or be mindful of. There's another lizard up there. It looks like he's ready to attack. And can we find an age? Gotta lick your finger and maybe it'll work. Nope, that did not work at all. Maybe we can find the inside. But again, the house was built in 04. So, but those things don't last as long down here as they do up north. Got a couple of dings and bumps in the garage. Alright, so we got kitchen to the left. Coat closet. And bedroom number 1. Damn, first thing I've seen with carpet. Everything else has been tile or LVP. Windows from 04. And a long hallway here. Big walk-in closet. Tub shower. Big vanity. Plenty of space for a dual if I wanted to convert it. Doesn't look bad in here. And the family room leads out to the screened Lanai. Dining space. Bedroom 2. And we got a bunch of bugs. Those look like ants. I don't think they're carpenter ants, but certainly something to have checked. And we got a closet over here. Bedroom number 3. Good size. And the hall bath. Vanity's a little jacked up, but that can probably be easily fixed. Fan combo with the light. And we got a chip in the tub here. That's an easy fix. Grout lines are cracking. And the kitchen. 25 for this?
At least, yeah. I didn't
That's what I was
check, but
figuring.
I can just buy it. So.
Yeah, I mean an 04
Well, the
build.
neighborhood, I think the neighborhood would take it.
Yeah.
Dining space.
Probably even more.
How long's this one been on?
It says 332, but I doubt it. It says almost a year on the market. I don't think so.
I'd be shocked if this thing was on the market for a year.
I doubt it. I have to look at the history.
Laundry room and 2-car garage. Gotcha. And the expensive stuff. All right, so this was changed in 21, which makes me feel better. In 2020 on the water heater. I'm not sure about the outside though. I think, and if you're a HVAC person or you know about HVAC, when did they change the regulations on the Freon stuff? Because I know before you used to be able to hook an old unit to it. And 22, property was inspected in 22. Oh, that was by a home inspector. Hang on. But really good space. Florida because they don't have basements or really anything. The garage is typically the storage unit. So now that we've been all the way through Joiner, what do you think? The AC wasn't working. The kitchen needs a little bit. Carpet in Florida for me just seems weird. I don't know. I think it's the MLS could be wrong, but this thing's been saying it's been on the market for a year. This thing's way too pretty to be on the market a year. So I don't know if it's worth it or not, but we're gonna go back and crunch some numbers and see. Is it worth it?